Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about triggers, part of database management system course. In SQL, a trigger is a named block of code that is executed automatically in response to a specific event, such as insertion, update, or deletion of a row in a table. Triggers are used to enforce business rules or to perform additional actions when a particular event occurs. Here is an example of creating a trigger in SQL. This trigger is created on the customers table and is executed after an update to a row in the table. It updates the updated at column with the current timestamp for the row being updated. Triggers can be defined to execute before or after an event and can be defined to execute for each row affected by the event or just once for the entire event. Triggers are a powerful tool for automating actions in a database and ensuring that the business rules are enforced consistently. However, they can also be complex to design and can impact the performance of a database if used excessively. It is important to carefully consider the use of triggers and to test their performance before implementing them in production. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.